I'm Taylor.
And I'm Riley.
This is another episode of Totally
Right.
Today's topic is
Food.
Today we're going to be telling you and explaining to you all the different types of food they have here in Spain.
So, our main topic is paella, because it is the most traditional food and the most common food.
And we actually, Riley, that's a very good question. We've actually been to the place where paella was invented, a place called Valencia.
Valencia. And, well,
I have a question, girls.
what?
When we were in Valencia, what was the strangest food you saw in the marketplace, Taylor?
The strangest food I saw
Oh, guys.
were
Pig heads.
pig
Riley, you saw a
heads.
pig's head?
Pig heads. I actually saw the hearts, the guns. I saw like the whole entire body.
Me too.
And what? Tell me about the pig head,
Well,
It has
Riley.
What? It
Sorry.
has eyeballs, the brain, the snout, a hole through its ear, the eyeballs, the teeth, the mouth, the snout, that.
And where was it?
It was in a market.
Where in the market?
It was called a place.
Like the food case.
Yeah, it was like in a food case.
And guess what else I saw? I also happened to see pig leg, which actually are very, very common here, and they actually are very, very expensive
Yeah,
too.
they were thousands of euros.
And where do they do with the pig legs?
They eat them.
Just,
How do they prepare the pig leg?
They cut them up with a big, big knife.
Yeah,
are they
go
raw? Are they raw?
Are they raw?
No,
Are
they're
they in the
They're
refrigerator?
cured.
No,
They're
like
cured. They're cured. You know what that means?
No,
It means not cured. It means not cooked, but they're aged.
Yes, exactly.
and then
What do they
take-
call the meat that comes off the cured
Jamon
pig leg?
serrano.
And then they take a knife and they go clunk, 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 clunk.
Is it in
Okay.
thick strips or thin strips?
It can be in either, but it's mostly in thin roast.
Yeah.
How do you eat it?
You fry it up.
Now let's go back to the
Bite
topic
it.
of paella. So Taylor, tell me what paella is.
Paella is a rice dish that has rice, and you can have it with chicken, and it has all sorts of vegetables and everything. And some in Valencia, we had it with chicken. We had the regular one. We had it with chicken and vegetables and a little rosemary, and it made the whole entire thing taste like rosemary. It was so good.
Can I
Yes,
answer?
Riley.
Well, there you can't just have pie. You can have paella, pork paella, chicken paella,
What about the ones with the shells in them?
fish paella.
Yeah. What about the paella that we had at Tio Guillermo's house?
Well, that was pork paella.
And what you do to make pork paella is you set it in a pan, or any paella. And after you cook it, you put towels over it, and you let it sit.
You let it rest. That's what Guillermo says.
Yes. Now, we saw paella being made at one of the ferias that we went to.
Oh,
It was
like
One at a time, one at a time.
The thing was,
the thing.
Taylor,
the thing was probably,
what thing?
the big paella pan was probably,
10 kilometers.
it was probably 4 feet long, 4 feet wide, because it's round. It was a huge circle. Probably 5 feet this way and 5 feet this way, and a big circle. And they had 2 of them.
And how are they heating them? How are they cooking it?
They were cooking it over a wood burning fire. And they peel about 20 pounds of gambas, which are shrimp. They put those in there. They must have done so much garlic.
How did it smell when they were cooking the garlic?
It smelled so good.
And then what did they stir them with?
They stirred them with regular canoe paddles.